Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? It's your boy Devin B representing Black Diamond FX. And tonight I got something special for my Bitcoin people. All right. If y'all ready for Bitcoin to roll, looks like it's about to happen. So stay tuned. But before we get into this video, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this thing with about 100 of your friends. All on your social media. Share it everywhere. All right. We trying to blow this thing up. So what's happening with Bitcoin? I ain't gonna lie. I like the way it's looking right here. And if you trading, using ICC concepts not compared, but combined with the liquidity concepts that I've been teaching, you should be getting ready for a nice Bitcoin run. So let's see what's happening. All right, so we're gonna start off on a monthly time frame. As always, we like the higher time frames. And the first thing we're gonna look for is that indication. And you can see we got indication already right above this high right here. All right. Now, once I mark my indication, I also like to mark that opposite side, that opposite end. Now, I don't know if you guys saw this in my video, but I said I like to mark the pullbacks, the start of the pullback and the end of the pullback. All right. And the reason being is sometimes price doesn't always do what we want it to do or what we think it's going to do. Sometimes you're going to get that indication up there, and then price is going to drop way, boop, 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 way down here. All right. When that happens, check to see if it's a liquidity sweep either up here or up here. All right. Look for a liquidity sweep. If it's a liquidity sweep up top, 9 times out of 10, price is about to go bearish. If price is in the uptrend and you get that sell side liquidity sweep, then most likely price is going to continue being bullish. However, in this case, we are at internal liquidity right now. And you can see we're getting rejection, signs of rejection. All this on the monthly time frame, all right? So we're going to slow roll it all the way down to maybe the 15 or 5 minute and see what we get. But let's drop to the weekly. We have indication and we have correction. All right. Do we have entry? Let's see. So on the weekly, we can see prices currently ranging, going in consolidation. I mean, is in consolidation right now. See that? All right. So let's go to the daily, see what the daily looks like. Oh, 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 oh. This is what we got. This is what we look like here. All right. So on the daily, still same thing. 9 times out of 10, full hour. Okay. Now we start to see a little bit more context inside of consolidation. Now, this is still consolidation, but I want to see, I personally would want to see price look like it might be breaking out of, let's see, hold on. Because we got higher time frame consolidation, then we got this smaller one. All right. Now, to be honest with you, excuse me, this is such a big area. So honestly, I would want to see price, and this is on a 4 hour. I want to see price break above this high, the high of the consolidation. All right. For me to take a comfortable trade on this. Now, when I say a comfortable trade, I mean Bitcoin, if I'm trading Bitcoin either on the Forex side or on the future side. If I'm holding Bitcoin, then, oh man, hold on. Give me 1 second. If I'm holding Bitcoin, you could buy right now. All right. If you're holding it, you can buy right now. And I always would say anytime is a good time to buy Bitcoin. All right. There's no wrong time. Anytime is a good time to buy Bitcoin. However, if you're trading Bitcoin, you might want to wait a little bit. I would want to see Bitcoin break out of here and give me some kind of indication. All right. I want to see it break out of here. That first I want to see it break out of this lower consolidation, which it looked like it's doing right now. But then I want to see it break out of this one. Once it breaks out of the big consolidation that I marked, something like that, then back down, and then take it to that high. Actually, if it breaks out, I think it's going to the all-time. I think it's going up here to the all-time highs, to be honest with you. All right. Just because of the fact that this is a monthly. See, this happened on a monthly. And look at what happened. Every time we pulled back, every time we broke structure and we got indication. Come on, stop, stop, stop. See, that's why I need to get me a new computer. That's why I need you guys to subscribe to your boy. Help me out. All right. So see, every time we break and we come back to internal area of liquidity, see right here, we got this zone, this demand zone here. All right, we got fair value. Look what happened. Price came down and blooped. Went all the way up, broke structure. Same thing is happening here. We got a what? Fair value here. Even if we go down to the weekly, look, see it better. Fair value, demand zone, order block, whatever you want to call it. Look at what's happening. All right, we getting rejection, consolidation. Don't be surprised if you see a little sweep down, but honestly, I think we're going to go up from here. And look how close it's getting to that 50 moving average. All right. So I'm looking at this going up and hitting at least the all-time high at 126,272. All right. So once again, my people, if you guys want to buy Bitcoin, if you guys want to trade Bitcoin, please keep your eyes open. Please keep your eyes open because as soon as it breaks out of this higher consolidation, I mean, look at this. This is the daily. Look how close it is to this 50 EMA right here. This is going to break out, and I showed this to one of my students earlier. It's going to break out, and then it's going to retest that 50. Watch what I'm telling you. It's going to break above the 50. This is on a daily. Let me see. Where is my brush? I could almost tell you. It's going to do something like that. The 50 is going to do something like that. All right. And the price is going to break above it, come back down, retest it, and then boom, it's going to be taken off. All right. So if you want to trade Bitcoin, keep your eyes on it. That is today's Bitcoin breakdown. All right. Once again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share with about 10,000. I said 100 the first time, I switch it. 10,000 of your friends, all your followers. We trying to blow this up in 2026. Happy New Year to you guys. Guys, I'm looking forward to making more videos, dropping more quality content. Go ahead, hit that link, join my free Discord channel. Don't mind my kids in the back, they're just always fussing. All right. But I'm gonna holler at you guys later, and I hope you guys have a good night. Deuces.